Hello, welcome back to my video. 10 best cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022 for good returns in 2023 Part 2. Digital forms of money have shown to be extraordinary speculation throughout the long term. Notwithstanding the many high point and low point on the lookout 2 or 3 weeks in the new past have not worked for the cryptographic money market. What is a beam of trust is the return of the digital currencies. However sluggish yet consistent, getting ridiculously wealthy by putting research into digital form of money before 2023 begins is conceivable. Taking into account exactly the number of digital currency are currently available for use. Picking the best digital currencies for your portfolio is no simple accomplishment. Here is the rundown of the main 10 best digital currencies to purchase in 2022 for good returns in 2023. Solana coordinates with Ethereum in two basic regions for improvement, speed and low exchange costs. Ethereum construction limits exchange each second to 1513 on its organization, making the bootleg that outcomes in hikes gas charge. It has drawn in numerous crypto financial backers because of its progressive characteristics. Cardano is a third-edge crypto. Its attributes offer the best mix of first and second edge cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It at least proof of stake rather than proof of work, future developing its maintainability constraint with other crypto system, especially suggests putting research into Cardano. Torrential slide. Torrential slide is one of only handful of exceptional blockchains that can scale without forfeiting decentralization. Its true capacity for interoperability with numerous blockchains is bundles. Torrential slide blockchain modify agreement calculation in light of the utilization case, and the organization has more validators than different organizations. It is one of the most outstanding cryptographic form of money to purchase before June to get rich. Thank you for watching my video.